Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker ANKER Soundcore BOOST. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. It should help you, but if it doesn't, we should make a soft reset, so just press one time the power button to turn off your speaker, and after that again press and hold power button to turn on your speaker. Did I? Here we go. Now, if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this speaker. So just press on the power button to turn off your speaker, click the settings icon or information icon if you have iOS, forget device. Now pair new device, turn on your speaker, and now click on your speaker at the device list. Cool. It should help you, but if it doesn't, we should make the last option is a hard reset. So just press and hold power button and bus up button for at least 7 seconds. Now click the information icon or settings icon. Is this just vanished? Okay, so click pair new device if you have the same, and then click on your speaker pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!